Hey everyone, my name is Rob with DEWALT Anchors and Fasteners. Today we're going to walk through how to install DEWALT Mini-Undercut Plus anchors. Please note that this is not a substitution of the product instruction manual. All users of the products described in this video need to read the instruction manuals prior to any use of these products and installation of DEWALT anchoring systems. The first thing we'll discuss is personal protective equipment, known as PPE. Always wear all the appropriate ANSI or NIOSH rated PPE. Reference the DEWALT instruction manual as well as your company's safety guidelines to determine the appropriate PPE depending on the tool, anchor, and application you'll be doing. When installing DEWALT anchors, it's important to always wear eye protection, gloves, and to use the proper dust extraction equipment. First, using the required DEWALT stop drill bit, drill a hole into the base material to the required depth using the shoulder of the drill bit as a guide. The tolerances of the drill bit used must meet the requirements of ANSI standard B212.15. Next, remove the dust and the debris from the hole during drilling. For example, you could use a dust extractor, suction, or forced air. Another option is to use a DEWALT Perform & Protect SDS Plus rotary hammer drill with an onboard dust collection system. Attach the required SDS Plus setting tool to the hammer drill. Mount the open end of the anchor onto the setting tool. Drive the anchor into the hole until the shoulder of the anchor is flush with the base material. Thread the rod or bolt by hand until it is snug tight. This will be a minimum of 4 full rotations. Once the threaded rod is fully seated, do not tighten any further with an adjustable wrench or similar tool. That's it. You're all set to install DEWALT Mini-Undercut Plus anchors.